Guys, it's always fun to start your mornings off cleaning a dick off the car that Tom drew on. So make sure you guys go and get a friend that isn't Tom. Otherwise you're gonna have to clean the dick off your car. Look. Oh my god, Tom, you're a dick. You're real mature, you know that. He put my name here too. So Tom, you're such a good person. Just wipe that off so it doesn't really look that bad. Oh hell. Yo guys, I must have a screw loose or something. I'm about to go and walk from Bray to Greystones along Bray Trail in sliders. So I got my sliders and my shorts on. We're going over there. Yeah, maybe do some flips on the beach. It's getting really sunny outside, and I'm gonna meet up with Tom and stuff, and some other people might be coming with us. I'm not sure yet, but I'll let you know, and I'll catch up to you when we start walking Bray Trail. It's been a really fun change of plans right now. I'm in the car. I'm just leaving. There's a person right behind me. I don't want to run them over. That could have been bad. I'm about to go to British Bay. It's a beach. I've never been there before. Hopefully it's fun. It's a real sandy beach with sand dunes and everything. There's no rocks. The problem with the beach here in Bray is the beach is covered in rocks and you can't really do much to this one. Big long stretch of sand dunes to run down. Last time I was at a sand dune with Tom, Neve cut her foot open and I had to get it super good shut. But I'm about to go and pick up Tom now and the other guys, and let's go and pick Tom up. So yeah, have to get some bangers playing before we go. Some Lil Uzi. We found sand finally. We're at Sand Dunes, guys, and it is perfect. The place is empty. The car park was shut. We're gonna swim in now, get some cool photos. There's Belen! Yoo-hoo! Sand! I love sand! Do something cool!
Wait, what are they doing here?
Dab! 360 dab!
Not even 360.
360 dab!
Not even that big.
Where'd you go?
You're so bad at everything.
You suck at life.
You suck at life. I can't get out.
So ready, bro? So ready?
We got this.
I feel like I'll slip and die if I do it that high. One sec, I'll do it here. No, I'll do it here.
Naomi, what if I should doctor's appointment?
No, I can't do it. I can't do it. Now that's a beach, dude.
Now look at that.
Now look at that. Whoa.
You guys stay there. I'm getting photos of it.
Oh my god, this is so nice. This was worth not going to college. Woohoo.
Run!
Oh.
Run, Forrest, run! Oh my god, please really pull me down. You can do it. Oh, he's there! Aaron, say cheese! Stop for it! Come on! Do something!
Oh Jesus, this is steep. Oh, it's so soft. I'm like a brunch. I got sand on me. Guys, this is so steep. But views though. Views though, views though. Oh, it's so soft! To my little forest, guys, we chose the best sitting on the beach. Look at this. I don't remember, we were over there, I think. No, we were over there, I'm not sure. We're gonna find somewhere to run down. I want to backflip off something, that's what I want to do. Here chilling. I can't believe I'm in Ireland right now though. Pretty sick. Oh my god, the views. I gotta go in the water now though. Looking to the water right now. Ooh, it's gonna be cold. Ooh. Ooh, oh. It is freezing. I can't feel my feet. I can't feel my feet. Ooh. Oh, big drop. There's a drop of sand and I can't feel my feet. No, with this in my hand.
Show off. Happy yourself.
Don't stop running. Don't stop running. You stopped already.
Just run. Just run.
Like that. I've done enough swimming for the year.
He's a langer.
What kind of toes? There we go. Good. We good. Ready, guys? Oh. Naomi.
Where are we racing to? I don't know. That's the worst one to touch that. See where that glass is.
Yeah. Okay. 3.
Naomi, come on.
I'm not gonna make this jump.
You just jump. You drop down.
Naomi gets
I broke my ankle today.
Okay, ready? Naomi, you go on. You 4.
Can I just lay up?
Too fast.
Fuck you anyways. Oh, I'm...
Eight.
How am I going back?
7.
Just run down.
6.
Okay.
5.
No!
Down to 4. I felt it. Literally felt the ground shake.
Whoa! Whoa! 7:30 in the evening. I have the car for the next 2 days up in Bray, and I leave it in a car, like a car park up near the house. But I don't like leaving it there for a long time, so I just like to drive it up, like, and sit in the car for a while. So I drove up to the other end of the seafront. I'm just sitting in the car right now. I have my book with me. I decided to read my book. You know, it's kind of weird, but I might read that. I might try and read it. But yeah, I'm just I know what I'm doing. I just wanted, because I didn't end the video. It was a really fun day. It was like a beach day in January, so I had so much fun running down the sand dunes and trying. That water was way too cold to go swimming though. But I just keep telling everyone I went swimming, and that just makes them think I'm a badass. So hope you enjoyed the video. Videos are gonna be either every second day. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do, but I want to make as much as possible. Maybe I kind of want to make the commitment of like making a video for every single day for the rest of the year, because I think that would be cool to see from right now until the end of 2018. That'd be insane. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Be back when I'm back, and I'll see you next time. Like, subscribe, comment, all the good stuff. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.